In today's video, I will show you guys how you guys can delete photos from your Facebook account. So follow the step. First is you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on menu, you can see your profile picture at the top being displayed. You want to click on your profile picture. Once you do that, it is going to take you to your Facebook profile. Now over here, you can just scroll and all of the picture, all of the posts you have shared is going to be shown over here. You can just keep on scrolling, and the moment you see the photo which you don't like, so let's say I don't like this profile picture which I had updated in my past. So what I can do is just click on the photo and the photo will open up like this. And at the top right, click on the three dot and then it's going to show me all the setting. From this, I'm going to click on delete photo, the first option, and click on delete. Now remember, when you're deleting, yes, you need to follow the step to delete a photo. And as you guys can see, my photo is deleted. But once the photo is deleted, you cannot recover it. So you need to keep that in mind, alright? So if you're deleting a photo, just make sure to back it up if you ever need it future need. That's the first way to delete. The second way, let's say you're too bored to just scroll through your Facebook page because you have a lot of photo posted on your Facebook. Then in that case, you can just come on your profile and this time just go on where it says photos. And over here, all the photo which you have posted is going to be shown just like this. So just click on the photo you want to delete and click on the three dot at the top of it again and click on delete photo, click on delete and it'll be deleted. So that's how you guys can delete photos in Facebook. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I will see you guys next time.